really pity to save you, but I think we should step outside first. How dare you do that to me in front of a room full of people? I have to work with them.
You'll work with them a lot better when you start treating them like people.
Don't hand me that baloney. You're not standing up for her as a woman. You're really jealous of her, aren't you?
Jealous of her?
Olive Green.
Over you? Don't be an ass. You think everything revolves around you and your spectacular body, don't you?
You're raving.
You think a woman is dead until she lives for you. Well, let me tell you something, Benjamin Franklin. We actually survive without you. We live, we breathe, we dream, we do our work, we earn our pay. Sometimes we even have our little failures, and then we pull ourselves fed up enough your fabulous electric lips. And let me tell you something else, Buster. Walk in anytime I want, and then put those fabulous with this morning in the operating room, and I want to I believe I didn't mean to.
Listen, I should be apologizing to you. Reading a journal in that operation. You guys beat it, sweet.
But perhaps I was a little abrupt, you know? My father was a doctor. He trained me as a patient first, and courtesy.
You did what I would have done.
Yeah.
I had to do a plastic surgery on male ego. I hear it was a mistake. From a woman.
Yeah, that's what I hear too.
Yeah, well, it's a small camp. When you put your boots on in the morning, you have to ask the person who's in them to move over. Listen, I'm sorry about last night. I didn't mean to write you.
Thinking about that too. Music and candlelight. It was really quite sweet. Thinking about your hand. You know where you hold his ears, I hold his hand. Good.
Yeah, well, they do make a good place to keep their gloves.
And I like that.
Hello. Can I ask you something? When you go dancing, who leaves? I've done it again. Yeah.
Maybe I should leave.
No, look, I'm sorry, really. I didn't know what I was saying. Besides, I didn't mean it. I did it again.
There's nothing wrong with taking a cue from the female of the species. Now take the seahorse. The male gives birth to the babies, and the mommy brings home the underwater bacon.
I'll keep that in mind if I'm ever attracted to a seahorse.
Just remember there's a right way and a wrong way to do everything. And the wrong way is trying to make everybody else do it the right way.
Right.
Are you as miserable as you look?
Well, it seems I had another little fight with my ego last night.
I don't.
Everybody knows.
Small place.
Look, I've learned a lot of things. I learned a lot of real nice things from this lady in Seoul. Taught me to play the Begin without the aid of a musical